Magandang hapon po ng October 18, 2025 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 18, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, October 18, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 18, 2025, Saturday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, October 18, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 18, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.